It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. 6 reasons why dogs lick their paws. You've probably caught your dog licking its paws, something almost every dog owner has witnessed at some point. And while occasional paw licking is completely normal, when it becomes habitual, you may need to investigate a little further to discover the cause, which will also allow you to find the solution. Here are 6 main reasons why your dog might be licking its paws. 1. An injury. If the paw licking starts very suddenly, it could be a sign of an injury. This usually occurs when the dog is only licking one paw, or even a spot on it. If there is an injury, your dog is likely licking in an attempt to keep the wound clean or dislodge anything that might be causing pain. If you suspect a paw injury, look closely for a cut, a broken nail, a thorn, a bite, or something stuck between the paws or pads. 2. Dermatitis can be another cause. Dermatitis is a skin condition usually caused by allergies or bacteria. If there is no apparent injury, but irritation is present, it could be dermatitis. If this happens to your dog, think about any products used in your yard or sidewalk, or if your dog walked on new surfaces and bumped into something. They may be having an allergic reaction that caused dermatitis. If this is the case, clean your dog's paws with warm water and a towel, monitoring the irritation. To prevent it from recurring, be sure to clean your dog's paws thoroughly upon returning from walks or trips outside. 3. Parasitic infections. Parasites like fleas can settle on your dog's paws and between their pads. They make your dog's skin very itchy, but since dogs can't scratch their paws very well, they lick for relief. Although only your vet can provide treatment for parasites like fleas, it's usually a fairly quick and simple process. Preventative treatment is also available. There are options to keep fleas away from your furry friend for good. 4. Food allergies. While food allergies aren't uncommon in dogs, they're a little harder to spot. But one of the well-known signs of food allergies in dogs is itchy paws. If you can't figure out why your dog is licking their paws so much, take a picture of their food and treat labels and take them to the vet. They might recommend a specific diet or try eliminating certain ingredients from your dog's food to identify the trigger. 5. Pain. A joint or muscle injury, or other conditions affecting the legs and feet, can cause your dog to lick their paws. Some dogs even attempt to lick their paws when pain is present elsewhere in the body. Therefore, paw licking should not be ignored, as it could be a sign of a serious condition. Your veterinarian can perform a complete head-to-toe exam to help determine the cause of the pain and officially diagnose your pup. 6. Stress and anxiety are other common reasons. Similar to behaviors like barking, destructive chewing, or digging, paw licking can be a behavior dogs use to cope with stress or anxiety. If it occurs alongside other compulsive behaviors or only in a specific situation, when they're home alone, when they're bored, etc., stress is likely the cause. Combat this by providing your dog with plenty of activity and exercise when you can, as well as enrichment toys and engaging dog chews when you can't be with them. Why is excessive paw licking a concern? Although occasional paw licking by a dog or puppy is normal and nothing to worry about, if it occurs frequently, it can be a cause for concern. There are 2 main reasons. Constant licking can further irritate the skin or even cause rips and tears. Open wounds can easily become infected, especially on the paws, as they are exposed to many different surfaces. As you can see from the reasons above, paw licking in dogs is often a sign of an underlying problem. If left untreated, it could cause your dog serious discomfort, pain, or even future health problems. That's why it's so important to work with your veterinarian, depending on the situation, to permanently resolve the problem. The most important thing dog owners can do in this situation is to identify the cause of the paw licking. They should then assess whether their dog has an acute injury, bite, sting, or parasite. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.